Hey my people, welcome guys to this channel. As soon as now we bring on us the all to the additional for those of you who have been following and then subscribing, clicking on the subscription bell. For those of you who have been sharing your opinion, we say thank you, we love you. Yes, so this one is a very interesting one about portable zazu. I know so many people don't go understand, you know, everybody does the post, nobody know the real actual thing. Yes, we're about to tell you exactly what happened from the beginning to where he is right now and the final conclusion. Yes, if you remember, tables are just the trend builds on TikTok and every other social media, and waiting be the trending. You know, remember the video when you do where it was say in be zazu, in the look for zoo, in be babu, all those things. Now yes, that was because when the policemen came to arrest him, now that time it do all those video and they make the policemen they know say no for this place like in Cabano, say nobody dare to come arrest. And yes, now so he get many followers where we say people they in back where that day, so police could not arrest him that first day. So now still on this same story where we say we can later find out say now one of the people where we say in don't help in person of money now him come outside to say now him contribute to police me they can arrest him for his own shrine or whatever place where he call in place. Yes, so my people, now so it can't happen where we say the saga between money that is the one of the people where we say table sign don't come out with full chest or say he want revenge back or waiting zazu do am na him make am go call police to arrest him. Yes, so now still on that same mood and spirit now zazu come to say why police go get the mind call him own place, say they don't push and come out for city, he don't come bush, don't establish himself now police won't come arrest him. So why be say police won't come arrest person wey be say he dey into music, he say he be musician, and then on a year from yahoo boy say yahoo boy go send on a me na come arrest me. Now this guy we just see say after everything the whole attempt make police take arrest him, we say they no gree, the attempt failed that first day. Then the next time it was so glaring that Portable has no other option than to follow the policemen. Now so you take follow them as the matter come dey long, we be say people they look and say nothing go happen. Now we see say everything land for court too. On this court matter now there they say person wey be say they make mouth, court and government go make am humble. My people na this channel go na know so we dey bring on as they go. Yes, so still on this Portable matter as him just dey. Yes, so immediately the bail am finish, the guy no waste time he can't release him video and in song where he entitled federal government liability. My people na need to see him, he just talk am and he be like say na the revenge wey him fit do concerning police and the people wey be say they talk about him matter. My people, don't forget to follow us to hear more story when we update new stories. Thank you for watching and see you on our next one.